Hey everyone, tonight I'm going to show you this 1970 Ford Mustang. It's from the 100% Hot Wheels. Came out in 2001. I'm hoping the rubber bands that were on here are not going to leave any marks. Hopefully they come off nice and easy. You can see some of them have busted all around the base and have stuck to it. So usually they will leave some marks, so let's hope this one does not. Let's see if we can't get this sucker open. That way we can display it. Who else collects the 100% line? These ones came with some real riders. It's a very good casting, very good rim and tire combo on these. Oh, they came off pretty easy. Eesh, looks like it left a little mark there. That's probably from my hands. Maybe I can get them out. So I got a little brush. Maybe this will help get a few more off of there without messing it up. So on these cars, the engines came a little more detailed. See if I can get that out of there. Maybe I need a smaller brush. Got that white interior. You can see the real riders there. What is it? Yeah, Boss 429. Look, it's still got rubber bands underneath it. I'm gonna have to get this thing pretty clean. Let's see. So I collect quite a bit. I don't have too many of the 100% line, but I'm probably going to start looking for more of them. Because as you can see, these are a little bit more detailed than just your regular Hot Wheel. So you can get a little better looking car. And to be honest, I don't remember what these went for back in the day. I just had a few still sitting in the box that I never opened up and figured before these rubber bands start tearing them up, I better get them open. So what do you guys think about this casting or this turquoise color? Let me know. Thanks for checking it out. We'll see you guys on the next one.